Hi everyone, we all have read in a triangle, difference of any two sides is less than the third side. But is it always true? And how mathematicians came up with this? Let's find it out. Take a triangle ABC with sides A opposite vertex A, B opposite B, and C opposite C. Next, drop a perpendicular from A to BC. Take this meeting point as D and length of AD as H. Also take CD as A1 and DB as A2. Now pay attention, in triangle ADC, using Pythagoras theorem, B square is H square plus A1 square. H is the perpendicular height and will always be greater than 0. That means B is greater than A1. Similarly, for triangle ADB, C square is H square plus A2 square. That means C will be greater than A2. We have two equations, B greater than A1 and C greater than A2. Add both these equations. B plus C is greater than A1 plus A2, and A1 plus A2 is nothing but A, which means B plus C is greater than A, which is also a famous triangle property that sum of two sides is greater than third side. But what we are looking for is the difference. When we subtract a number from inequality, the symbol does not change. So let's subtract both sides by C. B plus C minus C will be greater than A minus C. That means B is greater than A minus C. Similarly, if we subtract B from this inequality, B plus C minus B is greater than A minus B. That is C greater than A minus B. In a similar way, you can prove for other side difference. That means this property always holds true.